We need fire. Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, it's time for some camp cooking. It's Tuesday. And this week we're going to once again be inspired by Christmas, but specifically Christmas morning. I like to put out something for people to get that they can just walk by the kitchen and fix a little plate when they're ready, when they stop by to see us. And it can just kind of hang out like a little buffet there at the house. Something simple, doesn't take a whole lot of effort, but today we're going to do a camp style in the old Dutch oven back there, and this is going to be a learning experience for me. I've never done it. We're going to do biscuits and gravy though. So we got some flour, some breakfast sausage, black pepper, some butter, and some whole milk for the gravy. We may or may not need the butter depending on how much fat this sausage gives off. I've never fixed this kind of sausage, so I don't know what I'm going to get. Now also, just out of convenience, I stopped by the store and I picked myself up a can of Bear's Southern Style biscuits. That's right, Bear's biscuits, that's what I picked up. And it's important, this is what you want. You want a Southern Style biscuit here for your biscuits and gravy. This isn't time for a roll or a croissant or a bagel. Gravy gets biscuits, fatty, yummy biscuits. Well, let's see what we got going on with our coals there and get this cooking started. Now, I'll tell you what, I meant to bring myself some cooking spray for the Dutch oven, and I forgot. I've got just a little bit of oil left from last week. Hopefully that's going to give ourselves just enough of a coating on this guy so our biscuits don't go to sticking on us. Oh no, that's not a lot of oil. We'll see what we get. Now, my idea is I'm going to be able to cook my gravy on my skillet on top of the Dutch oven. So, let's get everything hot. Let's see here. I'm just using the Hometown Original from Smithfield today. And we're just going to start chunking that guy up like ground beef. I decided to move my pan down here and just set it directly on some coals. I thought I was kind of choking those out. Wasn't quite getting the heat that I wanted. Anyways, I'm gonna keep crumbling. Now, I'm new to Dutch oven cooking, but you do have to rotate this guy. And I believe you do the pot one way and the lid the opposite. There we go. Let's let it roll for another 5 minutes or so. I think being directly on the coals is problematic. So I found myself a couple hunks of wood. Let's see if that works better. Biscuits have been cooking for about 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. I think we should check them. Let you peek down in the pot with me. Ooh. All right, we're about 30 minutes in now. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, they're starting to brown up. We finally got some good heat going on the sausage. I think I am going to go ahead and add the butter. I'm not getting a lot of fat off of this sausage. Now, a lot of recipes are going to call for you to pull this sausage and then start making a roux for your gravy. Well, we're just going to throw the flour right in here with the sausage and do it all together. So I'm going to put about a third of a cup in here. I'm just going to sprinkle it around. Might reserve a little bit of that. Now we're going to start adding milk. And now you got to start moving this stuff around. You can't let it hang out. You're going to use 3 to 4 cups of milk on this recipe. Just keep moving it around so you don't burn it. I think I smell my biscuits trying to burn on the bottom. Now you just cook this till it gets to the thickness you like. You see there how it's thickening up? If it gets a little too thick, add a little milk. If it's a little thin, add a little flour. You just gotta play with it. I think I'm about happy with this. What do you think? Let's take a look at the biscuits. Oh boy. Whew. Oh yeah. I might have let them go just a hair long. I'm new at this. I'm gonna add some pepper. I toasted the bottom a little. That's all right. The gravy's going to help with that. The gravy's going to do her justice. Come on now, biscuits and gravy, cast iron style for Christmas breakfast. Let's give this guy a taste while they're hot. I got plenty. Y'all come on by. It is Christmas morning, right? Christmas morning breakfast. Oh, heck yeah. That is pure awesomeness. I'm going to finish eating, and we'll see you on the trail.